stage is yours.
Hello? Am I audible? Yeah, I am Jitendra Kumar. Actually, I am working as a scientist in CDAC. Since morning, you have been hearing talk regarding first CCS sir has said that okay, he is the CCS is the organization which manages the root trust of the root trust for the India. And Balaji sir discussed about the PKI. Then PKI actually consists of public cryptography, how to create certificate, how to manage certificate, how to store certificate, how to revoke certificates, and then under this important component comes which is called CA, means certificate authority software. In this case, we are developing a certificate authority application. If you say in a normal word, means what is certificate authority solutions? Basically, it contains three kind of components. One is called certificate authority, another is called a registration authority, another is called sir discussed about digital certificate. Then if you just I want to explain what is the main purpose of digital certificate. It actually does authentication, integrity check, and then non-repudiation. And all those concepts have already been discussed. Now I'm just going to explain you what's some application which we are going to develop it, and it's called CS Software Suite. I told you there are three components of CS Software Suite. One is the certificate authority, another is called validation authority, and another is called one more is called registration authority. The main purpose of this software to generate a digital certificate inside a digital token. Then just let me see. Something like this kind of token you would have seen that you mostly use for signing your PDF documents and some kind of other documents. And whatever Manish has discussed, that's one software version of similar token. That is a soft token. Now, in this application, I have a three kind of user actually. Just I will explain through admin user. This is the admin login. Then in this case, in the case of admin login, this user basically configures the total CS software system. When you are creating a CS software system, it can be used for generating a digital certificate, it can be used for generating a CS certificate, it can be used for generating a email certificate, code signing. There are many purposes are there. Then using this particular application, a CA admin can basically configure the application. Then for configuring the application, you require certain kind of master information. Then here some means CA will use. I am not going to create anything. You can see there are certain master informations are there which have been already created. And like this, there are many other informations which will be required for configuring the system, like extended key usage means your if you have a certificate, it can be used for many purposes. then those kind of informations are configured here. Then there are basically many masters are there. Now, and another master is there like class of certificate. Then basically there are three class of certificate. Class 1 certificate, this is the used for basic certificate, which has low level of authentication and low level of security. Class 2 is used for, it has medium level of security, and class 3 it contains the high level of security. Nowadays most of the certificates which are generated, those are mostly class 3 certificate as mandated by CCA. And in this case you have a KYC proof, because there are many type of KYC proof can happen, like Aadhaar card, PAN card and something. Currently we have configured this system with three KYC proof like Aadhaar card, PAN card and voter ID. And other than that you have a KYC assignment, like for class 1 how many KYC is required. If you see here class 3, means if you are going to create a class 3, at least you must have to give these three documents like Aadhaar card, PAN card. And all this configuration can be done by admin. Similarly, one template is there like MNTTD, CA, something like this. And you have a root certificate, root CA information. And if you want to create, if this software is being used by a CA, which is also issuing sub-CA certificate, then this is the interface for creating that. And one sub-CA is already created here, which is just over here. And other than that, some role is there, like you can create many user can be created by admin, it can be editor and something like that. And one more is the role, like any user role assignment can be done. Suppose I have a person has been created a user like this. In this case, suppose admin is there. If you see that this admin has a role only admin, it can be modified as per the requirement. Then a user can be created and he can be associated with different kind of role. Currently 4 kind of roles are there, like admin, user, C-admin and audit officer as mandated by CCA documents. Then this is the admin interface. Then actually in this case, if you are using a CA software, then you have a other kind of role also, like another is a CA admin. Now in this case, I am going to I will open in a different browser, because in this browser I am opening this another user is there, which is a CA admin. Then CA admin is nothing but it is a certifying authority admin. Means he is going to issue a digital certificate for you. And as you know, now as a normal user, what I have to do, this is the front page, main page of this software. You can see some other informations are there. Other than that, here some link is there. If you have to create you have to buy a certificate which is a class 3 certificate. Then for that, what you have to do it, you have to provide certain information. Like suppose I am going to create a certificate with the name Vishal Kumar, and my email ID, I am giving my own email ID because one OTP will come for you. Actually, I have connected through my hotspot. It will come, OTP will come to my email. Here it will come, but actually I have kept in log also. This is the OTP. It takes some time to come there in your email. Then this OTP I will verify. See what will happen. First time if you are using your email ID, first time, then it will create a login ID with the same email ID and it will send you a default password. After that you can log in and change your password. in this case, since I have already created a certificate, it has not means I have my login ID already. Then for creating a certificate request, there are certain information you have to fill in. I will just write something, some default thing I will write it. Aadhaar, PAN card, and you have to have a photo of Aadhaar, upload it. PAN card photo, some default I have. Similarly, you have to give postal code. If I give postal code, we have a data of post, it will automatically take all the information. And then we have to, this certificate we will use for personal. And then we have to upload our photo also for verification and things. And then signature also. After that, you have to submit it. Now your certificate request has been sent. And this is just dummy page right now. Later we will implement it. After that, if you log in it, you can see here that what is the status of your certificate. You can see that you have sent a request and it is pending with the at CA. Now, if you come to CA, this is the CA login. Now, if you see here, this CA has to create a certificate. For creating the certificate, CA has to fill many information. Just I will fill. See, first time I am going to create a RSA certificate. It's a class 3, and I can give the name Vishal Kumar. Other things are filled based on your request. Whatever you sent it. These are some information you have to fill it. Means CA has to fill it because CA knows about all those things. And you see all these informations which you are seeing here in this is coming because from the master table which was configured by the admin. Then in this case, this is used for end entity for personal use. And suppose I want to give a validity for 3 years, then I can give it for 3 year validity. And then I am going to use it for digital signature and non-repudiation, and then suppose code signing. This is my purpose. All these informations are coming from the master table which was configured by the admin. Now it's saying that this is required. Okay, I am using it for client template. Now this request has been now accepted, updated. Now suppose CA can do mistake. That's why there is a chance that CA can again validate it if he has done mistake or something. And after that, if CA reviews and submit it, now it is freezed. Now CA cannot do anything. Now if you see there, this is now in the freeze state. Now you come to the user login. This status it was saying pending at the CA. If you refresh it, now you have to upload the document. Because it's a class 3 and class 3 association was Aadhaar card, PAN card or something, then he has to upload all those documents. Aadhaar card, we have some dummy Aadhaar card, PAN card. This we will upload it, and then we have a voter ID card also. This we will upload it. Once it is uploaded, then he has to do video KYC. Later we will provide Aadhaar KYC also. Then what he has to do, he has to upload the this document, whatever documents are there. Based on that, he has to do the video KYC. Then basically, what in the video KYC, what he has to do, he has to show like Aadhaar card, PAN card, whatever is required, and then voter ID card. Now it is successfully recorded, means he has done it video KYC. now this video KYC is done. Now the responsibility comes to the your CA admin. Now he has to validate it. See, all these three informations he can download and see. Okay, this was the Aadhaar card. He can open and see. Okay, this is the Aadhaar card. These are dummy things. And after that, same thing he has to validate it with his facial feature or something here. He has to show. Okay, I'm muting that. Now he is thinking that okay, everything is fine. What he can do, he can say that okay, this VKYC validation is done. Now he has submitted. Now this VKYC is done. Means now what happened here right now? User has sent a request. He has uploaded his KYC means authentication informations like Aadhaar card or something, and it was done. Validation also happened. Now if you come to the user screen here, just I will refresh it and just check it. Now a user has he has to download a file, and that file contains encrypted verified data by the CA. Whatever CA has verified data and fill the information on behalf of the user, that he can download it. Once he has downloaded, it's already there. Now in the client software, what he has to do it, in the client software, we will provide a client software. It's a Java FX application for RSA client. This is a, suppose this I will just delete it, this is auto generated. Now this is a client application, and just in the background what is happening, I'm saying that we have a Spring MVC application, and we have 3 microservices which are running underground now, and we have a JSON web token based authentication system also. Now here it is asking you to upload the data. Whatever data you have downloaded, you have to upload it. Now this is JWT token validation is happening because not anyone can contact your microservices. Login is successful. After that, it is asking you this token. This is your token. You have to install the driver of this token. Now, actually this token, okay. Now this token, you have to give the password of the token. Token successfully done. You have to create the certificate. Then internally what is happening, it is reading your uploaded data. It is creating a key pair inside your token. CSR is generated, sent to the microservice which is running there. And after that, a CS certificate is there in a soft HSM. There it is signed, and again that is inserted inside your token. If you want to see your certificate, one tool is there. Using that you can see your certificate, and this is your certificate which I have created. All these informations are there for something like this. If you use this token for signing any digital, suppose if you want to sign this document using token, it's already signed. Let me see other. Okay.
Sir, that is it a digital signature certificate?
Yeah.
But as per CCA rules, digital signature certificate has to be generated from the token, right?
Inside token only it is generated.
But from where it is been signed by CA?
I told you he has downloaded verified data. That only we have uploaded it. From that only everything has happened.
Okay.
See, he has just given a request. He has downloaded a verified data, na, here, which we have this verified data he has downloaded, no?
Okay.
And the client application he has to run in his own system where token is inserted.
Okay.
Now, suppose he wants to sign this certificate, history sign, then you have to do like this, something like this. Now, suppose I have to use this certificate for signing. Ajay, actually, this old certificate, send to the argument internal, and then this is how it will sign it. And if you want to okay, now it will ask you the password of the token, and if you see there, it is digitally signed. If you open it, it will say all other. Just wait. Just wait actually. Why is just wait, I will open it through, it's Adobe only it works actually. Why is not going on? There is some problem with okay now. Got it. So this is the Vishal Kumar. I had used it. So you can see all these information, because trust is not reaching to the CCA, it's just a self-signed certificate. That's why other things will not be verified. But if you want to see that whether signature is a validate signature, it will say that document has not been modified since it is signed, because digital certificate or digital signature is used for that. If my CA is signed by CCA, then all these information will not be there. Similar way, we can create post-quantum based crypto token also. But what Manish told, currently PKCS standard 11 API does not support PQC library, but we don't have any token which support actually PQC. That's why those things we have done in file system in a similar way only. But for the brevity of time, I will just, I'm stopping it here. Okay, thanks.
Thank you, Jitendra, for this wonderful presentation. I think it needs to elaborate more time to look into it. Of course, we'll share more details and we can have a well-created video put it up. And I request Sri Raghavendra Patil to felicitate Jitendra for this.
सर इधर